Welcome to the heart of Auburn's historic district. Built in 1900, this stunning Victoria-style home sits on a corner lot directly across from Eckhart Public Library and McKinney Harrison Elementary School. As you step inside, you're welcomed into a gracious foyer that transitions naturally into a formal living room, den, and formal dining room. Here in the living room, historic details shine: hardwood flooring, high ceilings with elegant beams, and beautiful natural woodwork throughout. Across from it, a spacious formal dining room is ideal for hosting family dinners or holiday gatherings. The kitchen is a standout with custom cabinetry, ample workspace, and all appliances are included. Adjacent, you'll find a comfortable den, perfect for an office, reading nook, or casual hangout. Convenience is key here, with main-level laundry featuring both gas and electric hookups and a utility sink. From here, an elegant open staircase leads to the upper level. Upstairs, discover 3 bedrooms that are all spacious and bright. There's also a full bathroom, while a convenient half bath is on the main level. This home comes loaded with extras: a full brick basement that's perfect for storage, an oversized garage, and classic appeal across every corner. The backyard is a private oasis featuring a charming pergola. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a piece of history. Call Linda Carper to schedule your tour today.